Hey everyone, my name is Mobile and I'm here with Urban Mask, and today I'm here with
What's up?
you.
Armand Rashad.
Armand Rashad. And where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta. What's up?
And then nice. And what do you do out here?
I'm fashion designer,
Yeah.
creative director, videographer. I do everything. Never to get a job.
Nice. And out of all those lanes, which one's your favorite one?
Definitely fashion.
Fashion. Yeah, I can tell. I love your vest.
Appreciate it.
Nice.
It's Nine, Say Nine on IG platforms. We're here at Lunar. I'm here representing the Trenches Global, the Trenches Impact Center. We're here to make a change and show the world it's okay to be yourself in any circumstance, any situation. October 18th is written.